My name is Babu Augustine and I am representing Zamil Industrial Company, Saudi Arabia. My responsibility in my company includes technical support, license and overall system management. Zamil Industrial is a premier business group engaged in the development of innovative design and engineering solutions for use in the construction industry and air conditioning systems. Under Zamil Industrial umbrella, we are manufacturing various products like pre-engineered building, structural steel buildings, air conditioning and climate control systems, telecom and transmission towers, process equipment, fiberglass and rock wool building insulation materials. Company has offices and factories in Saudi Arabia, India, Vietnam and Egypt. We discovered ZWCAD in the year 2007 where our necessity for the CAD software increased. The existing software we were using was expensive and we found ZWCAD was cost effective and technically suiting with our work environment. We chose the ZWSOFT solutions mainly cost effective compared to number of software usage, functionality and excellent technical support. We have got overall functionally stable CAD system which is cost effective and we are using the CAD system to integrate with many of our internally developed Lisp programs so that it can be automated many of our regular workflows. We are using ZWCAD in almost all areas which involves our major projects, pre-engineered building and structural buildings. Overall, I feel ZWSOFT products are very reliable, innovative in design, fast processing workflow and very cost effective.